All right, guys. Good afternoon. Happy Monday. We're gonna do a little unboxing here. Get this camera up a little straight. Now, I don't know about most people, but I myself, when I got to purchase equipment of this nature that might be classified test equipment, first thing I do is I go to all the review forums, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for production line technicians giving their reviews, like telling y'all that they work in production and they use units that cost 10 times this amount or a much higher grade than this one. And when you hear them explaining that and telling you that they're very, very impressed with the accuracy and the comparison results, it kind of makes you, understand that these are the kind of units you want. So let's get this box open. See what we got in this box today. Now, fortunately, I did this for a reason. I got this unit for a reason because, I told them that I got one, and I told them that I also got one built in, and they've been listening to my radio work for over a decade. So let's see if this is going to make my radio sound any better. I doubt it, though. I think the one I've been working with since day one works a lot better. I do believe so. But let's see. See what's going on here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Look at this. We got your receipt. We got a flyer matching the home screen. And we got the circuit cellar. Okay. Let's see what we got in this box right here. Let's see what's in this box right here. We got a power wire. Let's see if I get this out of the box. There we go. All right. Here we go. Yes, well, it does look like to me, don't quote me, but I do believe we got two sets of brand new probes up in here. And I do believe we're looking at the brand new RIGOL, also heavy little unit. It's a little heavier than I thought. Hold on. Out this plastic a little bit. All right. Plastic wants to give me, there we go. Plastic wants to give me a hassle. Yes, sir. And that's what we're looking at. The new RIGOL DS 1054. Yes, sir. The new RIGOL. No doubt. No doubt about it. I gotta get my attenuators. I want at least a 10 watt. They got the stuff, attenuators and shit. Let's light this little bad boy up. See how well it lights up. This shit they got all over the plug. They got plastics over the plugs. You believe this? I got my pliers too over here. Look at my pliers. All right. right, sometimes you buy these things, sometimes they don't actually light up, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, where's the power button? Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. We got some fancy, that was a fancy light up. About 400 to the door. Give you 4 more channels. Give you 4 on the floor. Doing them run stop. There we go. Pretty display, let me tell you. Pretty display. Oh, well. All right, we'll get this thing all set up and on the air for y'all. Checking shit out. The king of New York City. The man with the master plan, the Midas touch. The knowledge and the diggity know-how. Oh, well. The king of New York City.